Peter A. Musñgi, also known as Peter Rabbit, is a Filipino media executive, voice-over artist, radio DJ, and news anchor, best known as the main voice-over artist or announcer of the Philippine media conglomerate ABS-CBN Corporation, most notably being the voice-over or announcer of ABS-CBN, Kapamilya Channel and Kapamilya Online Live and Star Cinema film trailers, and as narrator of the network shows and their associated teasers and trailers. Since the launch of A to Z on October 10, 2020, Musñgi is the conglomerate's and network's primary voiceover or announcer, with Lloyd Oliver Corpus of A to Z being the secondary. Before rejoining ABS-CBN on March 1, 1987, Musñgi was also the voiceover of Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation, IBC, from early 1980s to February 1987, and Banahaw Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, from 1984 to its closure on September 7, 1986. Musñgi was born to Dominador Musñgi, a manager at the Rice and Corn Administration and a part-time bet taker at a cockfighting arena in Santiago, Isabela, from whom he inherited his trademark voice. Musñgi finished his last 2 years of high school at La Salette Seminary in Santiago. Musñgi graduated from the University of the East with a degree in business administration, major in accounting, in 1972. A year later, he passed the CPA board exam. At the Ateneo de Manila University, he earned his Master of Business Administration degree. As a high school student, Musñgi served as a DJ for a local pop radio station where a relative was the manager. Following his stint as a radio personality, he was tapped to provide voice as announcer in commercials and film trailers. He became known to the wider public when he accidentally sang the nursery rhyme, Little Peter Rabbit, over the radio, which caught the attention of actress and radio personality Helen Vila. This performance led to Musñgi being dubbed as Peter Rabbit. Musñgi first joined ABS-CBN Corporation in 1972 as an announcer for the media conglomerate's radio station 101.9 DZMM-FM, learning how to play a prepared and approved list of songs as well as doing time check and voiceovers for the station ID. He was one of many unemployed after ABS-CBN was shut down following the declaration of martial law by President Ferdinand Marcos on September 23, 1972. He later worked for various other AM radio stations. From 1984 until its closure on September 7, 1986, Musñgi became the voiceover of Banahaw Broadcasting Corporation, BBC. He was also the voiceover of Intercontinental Broadcasting Corporation, IBC, from early 1980s to February 1987. 6 months after ABS-CBN's reopening in September 1986. Musñgi returned to ABS-CBN on March 1, 1987, where he then became its main voiceover, since then replacing George Boonmerkatha, who was the conglomerate's and network's voiceover. When ABS-CBN reopened on September 14, 1986, until the launch of Star Network branding in March 1987. Notably being the voiceover or announcer of the television channel of the same name, its successor Kapamilya Channel, and Kapamilya Online Live. From 1988 to 1994, he was also station manager of DZMM and DWRR. He is a key person in ABS-CBN's Manila Radio Division and ABS-CBN Sports. Musñgi was the voiceover for various commercials, such as Zesto, Way to Go Zesto, and Classic Casino Filipino of Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation Pagcor TVCs. In his childhood, Musñgi had already developed an interest in creating his own voice. He said that in his home province, there were no television yet, and he would often listen to the radio. Musñgi said that he initially imitated the voices he heard on the radio before developing his own voice-over style. He also read newspapers aloud as part of honing his voice. He has once cited Juni Gamboa as one of his inspirations in developing his own style. Default text for more interesting personalities. Please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.